Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mini Cooper headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver and your new H7 headlight bulb. This process is surprisingly straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. We'll cover everything from opening the bonnet to testing your new light, ensuring you can confidently tackle this common maintenance task at home. To begin, pop open your Mini Cooper's bonnet. Look behind the headlight assembly you need to service. You'll find a circular plastic cover. Gently twist this cover counterclockwise to remove it. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Squeeze the small tabs on the connector and pull it straight off, detaching it from the bulb. This provides clear access to the bulb itself. Now you'll see a metal retaining spring holding the bulb. Push this spring clip to the side to release it, then flip the clamp down. With the clip released, carefully pull the old headlight bulb straight out. When handling your new H7 bulb, always wear gloves or hold it by its base to avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can cause hot spots and significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan. Once the new bulb is in place, swing the metal retaining clip back up and push it down to lock it securely. Reattach the electrical connector, pushing it firmly until it clicks. Finally, replace the circular plastic cover, twisting it clockwise until it's snug. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic socks and other great deals. This simple replacement can save you time and money, keeping your Mini Cooper safely lit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.